Welcome to the place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when joke on your mind. And just for fun and we don't want to see you done. Just for fun, nothing but drop down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the place when you...
Although the financial wound left by that Bugayaga Johnny still lingers like the sore under the hepatic's leg, time will heal, I suppose. But anyway, the wife's been calling throughout this whole conversation. It must be quite urgent. Let me see what she wants. Anyway, we'll talk again later, man. Nice talking to you. Okay, bye-bye.
Yo, it's another hit that in a ratty. All the boss are dealing, man. How come now releasing I tune them so I can go and eat some food? I wish number tune is for Depan now.
Carrot, the boss knows some of the deal amateur work, you know. You see if it's the next man, Carrot. We tell about your war right that clot, man. And run you out of the studio. Yeah, man. Cause Carrot, a number 11 song with Depan now. I mean, I tell you, say, you can't clap and not touch the mic them kind of way there. I want him to take care. I don't show you already, man. So everything respond my ears them. How I try to ruin my reputation. My ears them can't handle no form of distortion. But no level. Sure. Anyhow, barring all the extra work the way you give me, for clean up all them things there, from all the fuck we keep up on the boat. I left a solid tune that you have so far. One more tune for go for complete the album.
Jano, 11 tune at already, ratty. One more tune on the album done.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Tour time. Dub time. Money off run time. For real.
The album, yeah? Take a bad Carrot. Especially after me done season it up and stew it down properly. Take a sweet the people them so much. Them go and take them tongue and lick out them own ears. The same time me a chop, cut, and blend. It's like a gourmet chef from the mixing board, Carrot. Trust me. You hear my works out there. However, me I go book out and the studio I go book out for the next 6 to 7 weeks. So a whole lot of time that you have to come up with a bigger hit than the whole of them tune here. Oh, and one more thing, you know. For the final time, I don't want a performance on the board.
Just the vibes in a ratty. Nice like stew peas.
I know you and their vibes and all them things there. I don't want to stop you when you have vibes out. But I tell you already, say, me is not a live engineer and me is not a stage engineer. Me is a recording engineer and a studio mix engineer. So I don't want a performance on the board. But that's when you turn up and sing. Alright, my brethren.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Oh, yes, my girl. Jano, you know, it's a long time I prep you one away. But every time I see you, you're there on the boss. I hear in boat. How your name again? Carolina.
My name Katina, but most people call me Tina and all these things.
Tina. Tina what? Bully beef, sardine or mackerel?
Well, me prefer mackerel with green banana, dumpling, and all these things. Yeah.
Yeah, you know the lick. I don't know, so that girl will be my number one choice. But the feeling we're still not in now. It's bad over white rice.
Yeah. Cause everybody don't know, say, whether in the bucket or in the tin, a mackerel I carry the swing. Yeah. And all these things.
Eh, you don't know. Yo, I mean them call cards still now. Yes, baby, ever hear about me?
Yeah, I know about you. But I tell my friend them say, boy, that brown and they look good, and them have a whole heap of potential. But I just one thing though, carrot. I never feel with no girl yet. So what me never special lady in their life. All these things.
Well, right about now, nothing. A broke single, I mean a young single and free, you know. I have a girl right now, you know them way there.
Carrot that sound uncomfortable. Come like when my man them have them woman and them special lady, so me can just comfortable in the middle and mash up them life. And all these things.
Well, really and truly still though, you know. Me have a girl, but right now she there country. So I just go and bounce it one away. You know what I say?
Trying to make me hear say she love your body, no carrot. Cause that would just make me attracted to you even more and all these things.
Bad. She love me badly. She has to tell me them thing there. You know me I deal it.
Boy, carrot, now you start sound like my kind of comfort. But me have to go talk later. I have to go see Mr. Mike right now. Me say him upset with me and all these things.
Yeah man, we have to link. You see me? So I have to look more baby. Yeah?
But me never mean I no harm, you know. But you just want to make her know, say, me and she lucky for have a good man in our life. And she want blow it out of proportion and all these things.
So what do you think she was going to do after you inform her of something like that? Invite you out to tea? Are you crazy?
Baby, right now, the undercover life I get kind of boring. A full-time goodie come out now and all these things.
Katina, right now, I'm just so upset with you, I don't know what to do. You're just not understanding. It's like the MM in New Kingston Records and MM could easily stand for Megan's money. She controls the purse. So I have to make a critical decision right now. It's either you or my company. So therefore, as much as I enjoyed the time we shared, I must expel you from the company and sever all ties with you. Katina took you from nothing and gave you the opportunity to live your best life. And this is how you repay me?
So, Mikey, I just drew goodie come out to cause all these things. And furthermore, now you can't take me and me take you and all these things.
You see, that's what I'm talking about. All this foolishness. What is this goody come out nonsense? You know, Katina, you're very young and you have a lot of growing up to do. I would have given you anything, but at this moment I can only give you some advice. One day you're going to meet somebody and advise you to be a little more wise in the way you treat him and the decisions you make. And this guy might just give you the world. Hopefully. Have a good day.
So goodie come out and you want to push her out. But I know nothing. Just like how me take you, me can take a next one. Cause girl man no problem to goodie. Talk up.
Oh, and the apartment, the locks have been changed and your things put outside.
But I can't do that to goodie. Such part me go now and all these things.
Well, you can always keep it goody, as you say, and you should be fine. Katina, have a good life.
Take carrot, man. You can't sign contract and I come check with Mr. Arms House first. Our, you forget say me name Mr. Propaganda, aka Mr. Noticia, aka Mr. Fly up on the wall, aka Mr. Know It All, or if you do that, my general. Carrot, basically I say, you shouldn't sign until Esquire Arms House read between the lines. And in real life, I definitely co-sign.
Yeah, I co-parent that. Serious thing. When I deal official business, you know, say I have a signed contract. You know, security ride bike. I want to feel like.
Business are business, yeah. When you deal in New Kingston and them, you talk about risky business. I mean, know these things. Carrot, basically what I say is, after the album done, the money not gonna run. And that, and not just the fun.
It's all one sweets up. You can't tell whether I'm a clown or I'm serious now. But me agree with him still.
Carrot, it's that brother, the one Mr. Mike. The man there a millionaire in a carrot. But the man that likes to get a youth get the money if him not get a cut. Then carrot. Remember Booga Yaga Johnny?
My
And
boy
them man,
Booga.
them used to the monks, you know. And when the man find out so Booga Yaga Johnny I make millions off a dub plate and them couldn't get none of the money, the man take sick and wind up in the hospital for about a month. Ever since then, when I hear the man release no more tune and I'm still up on the record label. Carrot, you just a listener so calm. I could really want to go on.
For real, that is a easy and take telling. You alright, my youth?
You know, say a serious thing. They are kind of calm away still, you know. Like they are find love. Cause even though I know say a studio there and them thing there, they are kind of scarce in the place, my brethren. Well, MACKREL, God bless the hand of faith. Carrot, you have love for your plate?
Star, me no want a man come watch out my things, see? And first of all, the reason I couldn't see me too tough is cause I feel in a creative space, you see me? But right now, I'm up on a little break. I'm gonna come check the item. And the item come like the item want beat me.
Nah, man. All jokes aside, my general. We just look out for your best interest, you see me? Alright, so what more you do? Finish up the album. And so until the album finish, when you go in for them and say, yo, we need $100,000 and a deadline for when you go start release some tune. As if him can't comply with that, my brethren, tell him say you want your masters and your cut. Just like that, in that order. Yeah, my youth, show him say you're not a fool. You graduate from Arms House Entertainment Business 101 school. See? Straight up. And you go see where that get you.
Yo, lock off light and come lay down, my baby. Yeah, this is the life. Tina, me know I watch nothing, baby. Cause when time the album done, I'm come back from half a tour. Me go build a big house, overlook the sea. If you look the carrot them. See?
But me not watch nothing. Not because good you hot girl and all these things. Me a trooper, me tough it out, cause me know security a whoop a potential and you get rich and famous. And me know say you go take care of me and get me them thing me want. So security not my problem, you know. Good you have one bigger fish what I want fry and all these things. Right now you say good you get uncomfortable carrot. Yeah, me uncomfortable and all these things.
Yeah, baby, me know say chink them a go on away. I'm glad to say I wash out the sheet them and all them thing there. But you know the best thing for do? I for draw the mattress out the door in the sunlight, take a piece of board and go and beat out the little vampire them out there. You see me? Cause little bloodsucker them love the darkness. Yeah.
But me never did a worry about them thing there. Alright, me go tell me good I get uncomfortable and all these things. Character me I hear this first talking at the studio, you tell me say I want a relationship and all these things. And then me look upon it and me say, boy, you have a whole heap of potential and you don't want a relationship and you just start look comfortable to me. Cat say the first time I come around here, I'm still living conditions part you live with the duckans, chichi and chink. I said to myself, say no sir. You see any girl willing to live under these conditions with you and all these things, she have to love you oh so badly. And in a relationship would have to strong. And I think about good just in the middle like a little cockroach now in the life. I just start get comfortable carrot. But I start get uncomfortable because I notice somebody I say, I not say no evidence of no woman in your house carrot. I really want to go on, good want to know all these things.
Man, she was a secure everything with her gone a country, you know.
They know she fi care everything carrot. She never left a little one drawers or a little eyeliner or lipstick for go and mark her territory and all these things. Boy, I mean, I know in a carrot. Good, I get suspicious and to make me uncomfortable and all these things.
Yeah, me know what you're saying now. But I just so she like travel, you see me? I mean, I sure say, boy, better you don't even meet her, cause boy, she crazy about carrot. I no telling what she da do.
Eh? So why I say if she come right now and see me, she'd want to take up all a big stone and bust my head and all these things.
I mean, I tell her, man, she crazy. So that better if she don't even show up, you see me?
Talk up. So should I really want to bust up good head over you, carrot? Man, I lie, that thought just make me feel tingly and comfortable inside all over again. Boy, I just can't wait for bring her pain and stress and all these things.
Trust me, you know what I meet her. Anyway, still low, you know. I have a portion of come off guys studio, I don't want late. Yo, you see this morning, I wake up with a blowout tune. I'm not sure say, last night inspired me out here now, baby. If you know what I mean. Yeah, man. Anyway, how you cook?
I'm gonna cook again. Oh, same thing right all week. Fried plantain and bread with lemonade.
Fried plant, bread and lemonade again.
Oh, you know, say actually, there's something different we have to do tonight and all these things. Cause first of all, when I have no more bread left, I'm gonna go over Mr. Gilbert and like somebody pick off the whole lime them. I'm find out one they get orange drop off on the ground. So you're right, we're not gonna have the same thing tonight. We're gonna have fried plantain and orangeade. Yeah. And after that, you know, so the sugar done. So me can tell you say tomorrow I just fry plantain and no more things.
Yeah, we know how yourself, you know. But you see later, it's all greater. Yeah. Oh, see if you look under my bed, you see a white plastic bag with a coconut brush and some red polish. What you say? Go and fix up step them for me look now. See? Alright, baby, look more. Yeah. Carrot Joe's not a place. You don't know what I say. Tell the girl to make ears, cause we don't have time for waste. Yo, engineer. Don't mind look more now. Yeah. Don't look more. Ooh. Hey yo. Gotta look something on my voice now. Smooth it out. Make it sound nice. See me? Ooh. Yeah. That me I talk about. You ready? I'll roll this track now.
Me never think, no, me never think, baby, me never think me coulda find someone like you, girl. I know me can't get you off of my mind, me just a think about you, holy mackerel, I can't believe you are mine. Holy mackerel, when I look at you, love full up my eyes. Holy mackerel, holy mackerel, is all that I can say.
Boy, arms out. Like you know what did I say? But somehow I'm still surprised. So tell me something really that's what me I say in front of my eyes. Boy, one come here like say the same thing where I see. That look like a woman to me, yeah? So I forget to the bottom of this right away. Nice lady, good morning. I try to locate carrot, you know. What I say? I'm still live on here. Yeah, him still live here. But him leave Ghana studio about 2 hours ago. Then it's who you? Well, I mean them call Arms House, you know. AKA a whole heap of other different things. But most importantly, AKA Carrot Key Brethren. You see me? Well, me name Katina. And me and Carrot in a one relationship. At least I that me hope. But him I get me worried and all these things. Arms house, before you go you say you and Carrot a good friend. So you're supposed to know him like that. And all these things. So I'm gonna ask you a question. I want an honest answer, alright?
I you talk about cat, you know. I made them call arms house, you know. And in case you never know, aka Mr. Keeping It Real, aka Mr. Word of Steel, aka all day. So what you want to know?
You wash my clothes well clean, and you cook my food, girl. And then you give me loving well sweet. And when me get in the mood, holy MACKREL.
Tell her that sweet sap. She don't have to worry about none of them things there with Carrot. Carrot not have no woman nowhere. Yeah, I'm one and only. You don't have to worry about no farmer bunnings with my youth. Straight up, my girl. Key brethren talk.
I can't believe you are mine, holy MACKREL. When I look at you, love full of my eyes, holy MACKREL, holy MACKREL is all that I can say.